Hello everyone, this is AT from ForexPreparation.com. Today is Friday the 23rd of May 2008 and we are looking at the US dollar currency, the Euro US dollar currency pair. Okay, when I left you yesterday with my movie, the price was this currency pair was trading at around the level of 1.5795 or something, and then the picture looked pretty blurred to me yesterday, but as a whole I was spotting a possible reversal, and one of the things that I advise you is that if you see a close below the level of 1.5792, you open a sell position. And actually, if you had done this with a stop loss order of around 30-35 pips away, you could have actually gained approximately a up to 100 pips depending on where you closed your position, and the lowest point for the day was actually 1.5691. Okay, so this was pretty much triggered by as a whole by the sellers who were taking profits, and by this negative divergence which formed on top of the chart right here. What we can expect to see from the market today as a whole, I don't like Fridays since they're very choppy, and but another thing that is possible to happen today is that this channel in which the currency is trading, this upsloping channel, is actually the price tries to reach the lower boundary, which is between the level of 1.5550 and 1.5600. So our next support level is this high level here. I'm sorry, so it is going to be this this level here, or this is the level of 1.5620, which is 100 pips down the way. So one thing that you can do is just wait for the price to close below this support level, or the level of 1.5693, and if it closes below it, then you can open a sell position with a stop loss order of 30 pips where you enter the market. Your first price target is going to be the level of 1.5620, and then your next price target is going to be the level of 1.5580. So this is the lower boundary of our trading channel. The relative strength indicator on the hourly chart is currently residing on the level of 44, and about the rest of the time scales, we have the 2 hours time scale. The relative strength indicator has just started curving down and it's trading again in the bearish territory, the level of 46. The 4 hours time scale is trading on the level of 55, but it is also starting to curve down, as you can see by the picture. And the 8 hours time scale, the same thing is happening here. The relative strength indicator is trading on the level of 60, but it is starting to curve down, which is again a bearish signal. Okay, another thing which makes me think that we might see more selling pressure today is that this channel could be completed, and as a whole the price could drop back to this level of 1.5600. When we go to the US dollar Japanese yen currency pair, what we saw today is when we go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so I was spotting this actually the 2 hours time frame, this downsloping channel, and yesterday when I left you we were just on its lower boundary, and as a whole the price rebounced from this lower boundary here, and then it broke the upper boundary, and as you can see we had approximately 150 pips of difference between the high and low value for the day. So what might happen today is due to the correlation between the US dollar, the Euro US dollar, and the US dollar Japanese yen. These pairs are negatively correlated, so if one falls down or loses, then the other one is going to go up. So if we follow this rule, this currency pair might continue its uptrend, but as a whole, what else can we see? If it continues its uptrend, then if this candle, for example, closes above the level of 104.35, then the relative strength indicator is going to close below this previous peak, which was set on the level of 82.69, and this is going to result in a negative divergence, and by after this negative divergence we can see more selling pressure. So as a whole, I don't believe that there is much potential in this currency pair. If you go to the British pound US dollar currency pair, again, I can advise you, what can I advise you here is that you wait, and if you see a close below this support level, which is our closest support level, this is the low value here of 1.9780, just 11 pips down the way. If you see a close on the hourly chart below this level, you can open a sell position with a stop loss order set on the level of 1.9805, which are going to be another 30 pips, and the potential for this currency pair is pretty big, since the next support level is set on the level of 1.9732, and the next major support level is set on the level of 1.9600, which are almost 200 pips down the way. So the relative strength indicator with this currency pair has also started curving down, and just keep an eye on this pair. If it doesn't close below this level, which I just mentioned, but closes above its resistance area, which is the level of 1.9804, then there is a potential for this currency pair to continue its uptrend, and we can see another day of the bulls taking control over the bears. So as a whole, my opinion is that this pair is going to break this level of 1.9778 and close below it on the 1 hour chart, and then if it does, you can open a sell position with, as I said, around 30-35 pips of stop loss order. That's all for today. Thank you very much and have a good trading day. Bye.